Guys, if you take a look around you, you are seeing a lost and broken world. People are more depressed than they've ever been. They're looking and searching for an answer, and you and I both know what that answer is. The answer is Jesus. How many times have you been in front of somebody and you knew that you had something to say, but you just couldn't get up the courage to say it? How many times have you wanted to pray for somebody and you just weren't able to do it? Listen, guys, the results of your identity being solidified is that you won't be able to hold him back anymore. You will freely be able to talk to people about who they are because you'll finally see who you are. You can learn how to be the hands and feet of Jesus to the people around you. All you have to do is see who God created you to be. It's really simple, honestly. The most important thing is that your guilt, your shame, your condemnation gets wiped out. And when you can see who he's created you to be, you will be the change. Come and train with us and become that change. Become the hands and feet of Jesus. It's only a short time period until everything transforms.